Troubleshoot audio output from TV to speaker system. This video will guide you how to troubleshoot audio output issues when connecting TV to speaker system using physical cable connections. This video will be illustrated using Sony TV and speaker system. Step 1. Perform soft reset and check cable. Turn off both TV and speaker system. Disconnect the cables that are connected between the TV and speaker system, then connect them firmly again. Step 2. Check if you have made the correct connection. Depending on your speaker system and your TV, the available port connection may be different. There are 3 different connection options. Option 1. Using HDMI cable connection. Option 2. Using optical audio cable connection. And option 3. Using analog cable connection. Option 1. Using HDMI cable connection. Use this option to connect if both of your speaker system and TV have HDMI ports that support eARC or ARC. Using the HDMI cable, connect the HDMI in, ARC or eARC port on the TV and the HDMI out, ARC or eARC port on the speaker system. Note, if the TV is not compatible with ARC or eARC, TV sound will not be output from the speaker system, even if the speaker system is connected to the TV's HDMI and jack. To enable the eARC or ARC function of the TV, set the control for HDMI function or Bravia Sync for Bravia TV to on. For Bravia TV, go to Bravia Sync device list. Set the control for HDMI to on. For other TVs, check your TV manuals to find out how to enable this function. Option 2. Using optical digital cable connection. Use this option to connect if both your speaker system and TV do not have HDMI ports that support eARC or ARC. An optical port is available. Using the optical digital audio cable, connect the optical digital out port on the TV and the optical digital in port on the speaker system. Press Home on the speaker system remote to go to Home screen. Go to Setup. Then Advanced Settings. Then choose HDMI settings. In the HDMI settings on the speaker system, set the audio return channel ARC or TV audio input mode to off. If your speaker system still have no sound, change the TV audio output setting to PCM and check whether the sound is output. For Sony's Android TV or Google TV, press the Quick Settings button on the TV remote control and go to Settings. Go to Display and Sound. Then go to Audio Output. Scroll down to Digital Audio Out and choose PCM. If the audio device connected to the TV does not support compressed audio, sound may not be output depending on the type of broadcast or video. Check your TV manual for more details. Option 3. Using analog audio cable connection. Connect the analog audio cable to the analog out port on the TV and analog in port on the speaker system. In the HDMI settings on the speaker system, set the audio return channel, ARC, or TV audio input mode to off. Step 3. Check your audio output setting of your TV. To check or change the audio output setting of your TV. For Sony's Android TV or Google TV, press the Quick Settings button on the TV remote control and go to Settings. Select Display and Sound. Go to Audio Output. Then Speakers. Make sure that Audio System is selected. Step 4. Set the input mode of your speaker system to TV. If the input mode of the speaker system is set to other than TV or the home menu is displayed, the sound will not be audible. Press the Input or TV button on the remote of the speaker system. Then set the input mode to TV. Step 5. Update your speaker system and TV firmware. To update your Sony speaker system or TV, visit the Sony support website. Search for your speaker system or Sony TV by entering the model number to search. Then go to the firmware/software section to find the new firmware and follow the instructions to perform update. For other TV and speaker systems, check the product manuals to find out how to perform firmware update. Step 6. Reset your speaker system and TV. If you are still unable to hear audio from the devices after these troubleshooting steps, reset the speaker system and the TV. For how to perform a reset, refer to the manual of your device. You may visit our Sony support website for more support content or receive firmware update notifications via our Support by Sony app by scanning these QR codes above with your mobile device. Thank you for watching.